Hello, everyone. Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? MRAI. Now, you notice the little buy arrow we've got here? This was from RAI yesterday, okay? And so the entry was, what was it? It was 109 and it exited at 140, okay? Now, people ask all the time, is your AI only good for day trading? Well, it's up to you. It truly is up to you. So if you thought this one traded well towards the end of the day, you could have, I'm not saying you should have because, this is a small one, but you could have said to yourself, you know what, maybe I'll hold a piece. And I'm not saying that every time you would do that, this would happen, but look what happened today. And I think a lot of this is because there was factual. At least 100,000 shares were bought by one of the insiders. I think that news might have hit here, and so this has caused this one to keep running for a while. It had a big pullback up here, 346. I actually have an alert set up at 311 if it takes it out later on in the day. It's kind of resting a bit, and we'll see what happens. But again, there was the AI alert yesterday. If you'd held a piece of it, you would have done very well today. And again, I'm not saying that they all would have worked like this, but that's a way you can look at it. The AI is not just for day trading. Yes, it gets out of the trade, every trade at the end of the day. But if you like what you see at the end of the day, there's no reason why you can't hold some of them. All right, everybody. Well, I'm a Canadian, so I don't have Thanksgiving tomorrow, but the market is closed. So anybody listening to this who is a U.S. citizen, happy Thanksgiving. The room will be open on Friday for the half day. So have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll see you Friday morning.